Rosie, oh, Rosie's doing her little, put her head in the snow. Rosie, look, they're going up. They're going up. Go get them. Here comes Henry. There goes Henry. Go get Henry. That's it. Go get Henry. Come on, Rosie, get Henry. That's okay, Rosie. Rosie, be nice.
That was terrifying.
Rosie, calm down. Go get Riley. Riley, call Rosie. Okay, you're fine. You're fine. She just wants to play with you. Rosie. She just wants to play with you. Are you gonna carry it up the hill for Henry? Rosie, look, there goes Riley. Go get her. There, go get her. Go ahead, Henry. Take the sled. Did she get your hat? She got your hat. Now the other dog wants to play. Now they all want to play with you.
That was hilarious.
Rosie. She's like, it's my friend. Hi.
How dare you? To a child like him.
Here comes Rosie again. She's coming for you, Henry. Hurry up, Riley, catch up. Rosie just wants to play. Go play. Go play. Aw, what's the yawn for, huh? Rosie, guess what? Rosie, they're gonna go. Where do you see that doggy over there? Decisions. Which way are you gonna go, Rosie? Oh, you're gonna play in the snow. Okay, go for it. Rosie's playing in the snow right now. Do you see him, Rosie? Do you see him? Here they go, Rosie. Get ready. Whoa! Your turn, Rye. Come on. Rosie, get her.